It is no longer news that real estate is a very profitable venture. Little wonder so many persons have come up with quotes to justify this. Quotes like 80% of billionaires became so through real estate. Real estate is the most tangible, most profitable, and yet the oldest form of investment. Don't wait to buy real estate and wait. Find where the people are going to and buy the land before they get there. The worst time to invest in real estate is later. In as much as all of these points are valid, there is still one very important thing you should do as a real estate investor. Define your purpose of choosing real estate investment. Why real estate investment? Your answer to this question determines the investment portfolio to choose and the investment plan to choose. What do I mean? There are 3 types of real estate investment plan. Number 1 is short term, 2 is mid term, 3 is long term. All of this investment plan describe the time for maturity and determine the degree of returns on investment to expect from your real estate investment. Weighted capital gain, cash flow, cash on cash, cash back or rental income. Now, if this is your first time of seeing this beautiful face, my name is Perpetua, lead consultant, Performer Realty Limited, a real estate marketing company that is committed to walking you through making informed real estate investment decisions, as well as assisting home buyers through acquiring their dream home. On this channel, we dish out informative and educative content on real estate, money, finance, and investment to guide you through making informed investment decision, especially real estate investment decision. Now, if this looks like what you've been looking for, all you need to do is to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop informative or educative content like this, you'll be the very first person to be notified. Now I'll be jumping into describing or defining these 3 main types of real estate investment plan. Number 1, short-term investment plan. Short-term investment plan is an investment strategy focused on generating returns on investment over a relatively short period of time, typically ranging from few months to a couple of years. So short-term real estate investment plan is an investment property that is expected to start generating returns on investment within 1 month to 24 months after purchase. In this case, you are considering a property in a very developed neighborhood. It could be a land, it could be a house. In the case of a land, you are considering a property you can put up for rent or lease to business owners that could expand or start up their businesses in that particular location. It could be a bar, lounge, event center, church, warehouse, or what have you. Now, on the case of house, you are looking at generating rental income from tenants. When considering a short-term investment plan, you should note that a huge investment capital is required. Now, there's one common mistake amongst Nigerian investors, especially the baby investors. You want to raise money to japa next year, and you are investing in an investment property with a long-term maturity plan. That is wrong. If you have a relatively small investment capital, but you still want a short-term investment plan, then you should consider a mortgage plan, a joint venture, or a cashback. Leave a comment below if you want to know more about this term. Now we'll be moving to the second, which is the mid-term investment plan. Number 2, mid-term investment plan. Real estate midterm investment plan is an investment strategy that is focused on generating returns on investment within 3 to 5 years of investment. For example, you are looking to start up a new business in 5 years or expand your business into a different location in 5 years. That are looking at raising money for that purpose, they should look towards investing in a midterm real estate investment plan. And when choosing this investment plan, you should choose a location that has the potency of generating returns on investment within this time frame, and also choose an investment property that is sellable, that will be sellable within these 3 to 5 years. And make sure you purchase or invest in that property at the market entry price, which is usually called the introductory price. At this level, you get maximum return on investment when the property eventually appreciates. So when choosing midterm investment plan, you should consider, when do you need this money? Do you need it within 3 to 5 years? If yes, then choose a property that is sellable or property that can generate dividends or returns on investment within 3 to 5 years. And choose a location that has a high appreciation value or high appreciation rate, and invest at the market entry point, so that you maximize your returns on investment. Now, at this point, you'll be heading to the last, which is the long-term investment plan. Number 3, the long-term investment plan. Now, let me say this: the big players in the real estate space are the long-term players. This investment plan obeys 2 principles. Number 1, the principle of compounding interest. 2, the principle of accumulation. Leave a comment below if you want to learn more about this principle. Now, these big players in the real estate space invade a particular location and invest in hectares of land, of virgin land in that location, and leave them for a relatively long period of time for developments to invade, to visit that location. Development like economic developments and infrastructures, industries, companies, government presence to invade that location, thereby increasing the demand for workforce in that location, which in turn increases the employment rate in that location and also increases the population in that location, causing housing deficits in that location. And you remember in my previous video, I mentioned that there are 3 factors to a profitable real estate investment. 1 is employment rate, 2 is population rate, while 3 is location, which is influenced by the economic and infrastructural development in that location, increasing the employment rate and the population rate in that location. So these are the factors that these long-term players leverage on when they invest in virgin lands in distant locations that have no development yet. Now, at the point development start creeping into this location and demand of real estate start increasing against the supply of real estate in that location, especially rental properties, these long-term investors smile to the bank. Now, I read up an article some time ago stating that redemption camp of over 25,000 hectares of land was bought for just 6,000 naira. Can you imagine that? Now, so many Catholic church, so many industries, large-scale businesses, real estate companies, so many of them are in this category. Dangote refinery, Chevron, all of them are in this category. They invade a particular location and buy hectares of land in that location and leave them to appreciate over a relatively long period of time. I can remember sometime when my dad told me that where we stay in Asaba of over 2,000 square meters was bought for less than 200,000. Now, a 500 square meters in that location is worth 15 million naira, which means that 2,000 square meters is worth 60 million naira. Now, I can also remember that my neighbor also told us that he bought his own 2,000 square meters with just a bottle of small stout. Now, these are wise investors. I will not also fail to tell you that high return on investment attracts high risk. So you want to check your books and upgrade the title of that particular investment or that particular investment property you are keen into. Long-term investment plan majorly applies to land, which is usually called land banking. And when you are considering long-term investment plan, make sure you conduct your due diligence, check your books well, and upgrade the title of that property. Now you understand that we have three main types of investment plan, which is short-term, mid-term, and long-term. So next time you are investing in real estate, you first define your purpose of investing and choose the right investment portfolio, choose the right investment plan, choose the right maturity plan, and you will have yourself a very good investment portfolio. Also, when you are choosing a long-term investment plan, make sure you choose a reputable and notable real estate company to secure you the very best, to make sure that this your property you are investing in, or these acres or hectares of land you are investing in, is well situated, well managed, and protected or secured from any form of encumbrance, because you don't want to lose your investment capital in the future. So you want to choose the right real estate investment company, and as well as choosing the right real estate investment expert to walk you through the process from the consultation session till the allocation of your property. In my next video, I'll be teaching you, I'll be educating you on how to identify notable real estate investment companies and also real estate investment experts. Don't forget, my name is Perpetual or Performer Realty Limited, real estate marketing company that is committed to walking you through making informed real estate investment decisions, as well as assisting home buyers through acquiring their dream home. We have helped a lot, we have assisted a lot of investors, both home and abroad, to get the very best investment deals here in Lagos State and Asaba. And I'm also committed to help you, to assist you to get you that very best deal added to your real estate investment portfolio. On this channel, I dish out informative and educative content on real estate, money, finance, and investment, so that when you are making your next investment, you'll be able to make the very best investment. So if this is what you are looking for, if this interests you, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, leave a comment below, and share this video with a friend, with a loved one, with a family, so that when they are making their next investment plan, they'll be able to make the very best investment decision. Until I come your way next time, keep staying informed in real estate matters, money, finance, and investment, and keep investing in real estate. Bye for now.